Ah, it's a lovely day, isn't it, Greenbird and Redbird?
Yes, it is quite lovely.
Yes, it is.
Hey, I'm pretty bored today. Shall we go and ruin their day? Yeah, we should. Let's go.
What?
Ah, pigs! Pigs! Pigs!
What do you want?
Haha, we're here to ruin your day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just go away now.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt you. Ah! Oh, I'm getting you for that.
Stop the fight, everyone! Stop it! Just leave us alone now. I guess we made a mistake. Come on, let's go, pigs. Can ruin their day another day.
We'll get you back for this.
We'll get you back for ruining our day.
Shut up.
Guys, maybe we should ruin their day tomorrow.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
To be continued.